Most of us see Brazilian waxes as something to rush through, a brief inconvenience. But what if this routine transforms into a calm ritual? Imagine stepping into a peaceful experience filled with clarity and confidence. Welcome to MTH Health, your home for soothing self-care. If you're ready to elevate your routine, let's begin. Let's shift our perspective on waxing. When you hear Brazilian wax, discomfort often springs to mind. But it doesn't have to be just a task. This is your time for a quiet reset, a moment to breathe. Before you leave home, your Zen journey begins. Start with exfoliating. Move slowly and intentionally. Use gentle circles, treating this like a body scan meditation. Notice the warmth of your skin. Feel the rhythm of your movement. As you moisturize, focus on gratitude. This small act shifts your mindset into calm. Create a soothing atmosphere around you. Soft lighting, comforting scents, and calming music can set the mood. Before your appointment, practice mindful breathing. Try box breathing or the calming 4-7-8 method. These techniques help your mind relax, making your experience smoother. When you arrive at the salon, carry your intention with you. Let your esthetician know you're focusing on relaxation. Many professionals embrace this approach, ensuring a calming environment. During the process, use visualization. Imagine stress leaving your body with each breath. Picture clarity replacing tension. Deep, steady breaths transform discomfort into gentle observations. You are grounded and in control. After your appointment, maintain that calm. Apply soothing products slowly and intentionally. Extend your ritual, showing care for yourself. Enjoy the smoothness within and around you. Take a moment to reflect or journal. These tiny rituals deepen your mind-body connection. Transform your appointment into meaningful self-care. Remember, the Zen you create can extend to daily life. A warm shower can be a mindful moment. A quiet stretch or a simple skincare routine becomes a peaceful pause. Even chores can be moments of mindfulness when you slow down. So when your waxing appointment next appears, don't rush it. Embrace it. Turn it into a moment of calm and connection. Share your mindful rituals with us. We'd love to hear what brings you peace. Thank you for this mindful moment. If this video inspired you, tap the like button. Subscribe for more soothing wellness content. Remember, peace begins with our smallest routines.